Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your LLC to make money. First, grasp the fundamental legal structure of your limited liability company. This entity provides a shield for your personal assets. Next, pinpoint specific income-generating activities that align with your business goals. Crucially, establish separate bank accounts and financial records for your LLC from day one to maintain this vital distinction. Now, let's focus on your business operations. Clearly define the core services or products your LLC will offer to customers. Consider exploring multiple revenue streams, perhaps 3 or 4, to diversify your income and reduce risk. For instance, you might offer consulting, digital products, and workshops. Finally, establish clear and competitive pricing strategies for all your offerings to ensure profitability and attract your target market. Effective financial management is key to growth. Implement robust accounting and bookkeeping practices to track every dollar in and out. Consider reinvesting a portion of your profits, perhaps 20 to 30%, back into the business for strategic expansion, like new equipment or marketing. Also, understand the specific tax implications and available deductions for your LLC, which can significantly impact your net income and overall financial health. Finally, ensure your LLC remains compliant and your assets protected. Maintain all necessary legal documentation, including operating agreements, and complete any required annual filings with your state. This diligence reinforces the liability shield, safeguarding your personal assets from business debts. Regularly seek professional legal and financial advice. A good advisor can help navigate complex regulations and optimize your financial strategies for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.